Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to delete Riot Client Windows 11. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To completely uninstall the Riot Client from Windows 11, follow these steps. Firstly, press Win plus I to open the Settings app. Go to Apps and the left-hand menu. Click on Installed Apps. Then scroll through the list or use the search bar to find Riot Client. Click on the three dots next to Riot Client and choose Uninstall. Follow the prompts to complete the uninstallation. Another method, using Control Panel. Press Win plus R, then type Control and press Enter. Click on Programs and choose Programs and Features. Scroll through the list of installed programs to find Riot Client. Choose Riot Client and click on Uninstall. Follow the prompts to complete the uninstallation. By following these steps, you should be able to completely remove the Riot Client from your Windows 11 system. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.